Yeah, people. So just an update on Ragging King. You know what I mean? He might do well as far as I see on Nation 90 FM. He might do well. You see me? Them say the surgery was successful and him stable now and everything good. Me don't know what going on with the next person, but when I know this go, I mostly Ragging King where I got hear about. But I hope the other person is good as well, right? So you know, it's very unfortunate that what happened yesterday happened, you know what I mean? My condolences to the family of the young lady that was also involved in it, you know what I mean? So, people, just be safe out there. That may I say, oh, to 2020 I go right now, I just be a craziness I go on. Yeah, people, and now to add pa all of this to I go on, I'm going to show you where some people stay. See? I'm going to show you some people stay. So right now, somebody set up a page on Instagram and I ask for Cash App donation in a Ragging King name. You see me? To already set up, you have to wonder if it's a prank or a like comedy or whatever, because them literally I say them get shot and in a critical condition need all the support I can get for a brain surgery. Cash App, inbox for a Cash App. You see what I say? So, I don't know, but either way it's wrong. You see me? Because you know, say the man gets shot and the man in the hospital and thing, and then you go put up something in a name like that. And you know, you have some people in the to know internet work and now go spot it right away and say, yo, this is alright. I might send off the money and I know someone now go send it back, or and I go say a joke or whatever. You see me? So, when you can't do that, man, when I have to go easy, you see me? So people at that want to know me. That's why I show you that page. Beware of that page. You see me? It's ironic that they even have people that follow it and thing. Hopefully the followers them not did it because they convinced it have something to do with Ragging King. You see me? And man, them not even weird people. That page up from last night. You know the man get shot yesterday afternoon and from last night that page up. You see me? Because I see post where it posts over 12 hours had already. You know? So that's just bad people. Like, I don't know what, like nowadays you can't even have an expectation towards certain things because them things that way you see happening at these times is just like them never happened before. Like, really people really got to them levels there. You see what I mean? I say? I saw me look on it and I say, yo, no matter how desperate I be, me can't do that. I can't collect money on behalf of somebody who me know say, yo, them in that kind of situation. You see me? Because you only left a void now for people. I give people reason for this up the man and then we then say the man collect money. But you know what I mean, everybody no fool still, because right after back you can already know say this no make sense. So yeah, people, like me I say, it did so just know say that page over there so, and you know what I mean, like I said, I don't know what their intention is, but them have it pan there and they say for Cash App, inbox them for Cash App. So just beware, alright? So other than that, you know what I mean, we'll just keep you posted with Ragging King. Like me say, last tour me say him good, you know what I mean, him surgery was successful, so it look like him a go alright. You see me? And condolences to the young lady family again and our friends them, and we still don't know what's going on with the third person. Alright, so big up.